I'm Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors. We are finishing up celebrating our 15th year anniversary, open house and customer appreciation day. We had hundreds of people out here today, and we actually announced the winner for the $50,000 home makeover. And the winner is Jill Mills, who lives in zip code 46845. So Jill, congratulations. There's your winner, sir. Hey, listen, we're coming to an end. Thank you all who have come out today, and especially thank all of you who have been our customers in the past. We appreciate it. Without you, we wouldn't be here today. Thanks again. God bless. Have a great day.